Here we go. We're going to show you what the planter is, how it works, and the basic setups that you got to know when you want to plant. The machine, the wheel, the big rubber wheel in the front is the wheel that drives the chain that operates all the mechanisms. The plants are held in these here little trays. You can see we got them stacked up right there for now. And keep the pollinizers off to one side, whatever works for you. You also have in the center here these red and yellow holders. We only use the yellow ones, and you'll notice there's a little white tab right down there that activates the water switch, which is located down here. So as the machine drives along, those white tabs hit a little lever, opens a water valve, dumps a bunch of water in, closes as it goes by. Next, what we have is up at the beginning where you see the green legs. That is where you mark the beginning of the row. So at the moment, this is the start of the row. You'll notice that the planter is back here. They'll load a plant there, and by the time we get up to that will be in the ground. So that's our starting point. Now, when we are going along, you put the plant here in the yellow holder. You hold it in, and then as it goes down, you just pull your finger out. So he holds it in with his finger like that. As the machine goes down, you can see down lower here how it closes. Well, it's not super tight, so you can easily pull your finger out. The branches, you have to make sure that they're going to go in there and not get snagged on something. Some of these plants that are too long, we trim them off to about a foot or so, maybe a little over a foot. As the plant goes down and down, drops it into the ground, the furrow opens it up in front of it, coming around. A little hard to see here, but the furrow goes along. Right next is these here packing wheels. These packing wheels will close it. Now here is a row that we have done, and you'll notice that there's a little ridge on each side. This is very soft, fluffy soil. It's not very well packed, and what you want to find is that the plants get put in, and then the wheels just cover over top of the plants. It would be best if you had someone walking behind and doing as my brother's demonstrating there, just making sure the plants are in properly and all taken care of. And if there's one missing, they can put one in, all that good stuff. Next up will be the actual planting itself.